Alright, so today you join us in my friend's 2013 Mustang GT, Roush Supercharged, with a plethora of other modifications up to it. So he's taking me out for a little rip. If you haven't seen our previous video, I just let him drive my Hellcat Redeye, so you can click on that to see his reaction to that. But now we're taking his car out for a little rip. Last time I saw him in this car together was probably about 8 years ago. So it's been a while. And last time I drove it, it was just a bolt-on car.
429 to the tire.
Yeah, like 429 horsepower to the tire. Now it's got the supercharger and a bunch of other stuff done. So we're gonna take that out and give it a little test. So. We're tossing it.
You can do that when a car doesn't weigh 5 tons.
You know what? You are correct. That actually, it didn't even bounce, like, really at all. It just turned right in. I would say wait until we get down to the, like, the valley part.
Got 2 more gears to go.
Well, yeah, but, I mean, the cops say otherwise. I usually just wait until I get around this left-hand corner up here, and then if there's no cops, then let it rip. Tater chip.
Better chip tater. Got it.
Alright, so our first pull here. What you got for me? Show me what this Mustang can do. Definitely a different feeling compared to the Redeye. Make a left up here at this light. That is definitely, it pulls way differently. Like the Redeye is more of a, it's a lot of torque down low and just an instant smack of torque down low. This is like, it almost, I wouldn't say it feels like a turbo car, but it kind of does.
It's just very smooth.
It keeps building all the way to the top. But there's not a lot down low.
No, it helps you actually keep your foot in it.
Yeah.
Instead of doing that.
Yeah, you really gotta, yeah. It's decent mid-range though. Decent.
$3,000 it wakes up.
Yeah.
Oh, at night you can just put a little thing and you drive it.
Yeah.
Which is nice, because then you're not that asshole when you leave for work and
yeah. Yeah, true. And it's funny because he used to not have any mufflers on his car at all. So he would have like woken up, you know, half the county with doing that little pull there. Yeah, state. It was so obnoxious. But yeah. I'm glad you got mufflers on it now.
Yeah. Just 500 mufflers.
Because I honestly,
it was too much.
I don't even think they would be able to hear us on camera.
No.
With how loud it used to be.
No, not if you touch the throttle pedal.
Because it was what, BBK long tubes.
Yep, BBK Off-Road X, pipes, pipe bomb, catback.
Yeah, it was obnoxious.
And that was it. That was just, it was long tubes to resonators to resonated tips. And she liked to talk.
Yeah, that's an understatement. Yeah. Now you said you got GT 500 mufflers on it now?
Yep.
Yeah.
And the quad tips off of 13 or 14.
Yeah.
So that way, you know, they don't explode.
Yeah. What gear was that? Second? Yeah.
I can do it third or fourth.
And you know that it makes it a lot easier when you have this thing called a clutch. You can just. But the Redeye, we don't need it. It doesn't even matter what you're doing. You just floor it. It does it.
But I also have a 2-step, so I can do this. Oh, right, that's the wrong gear.
That's crazy. Rolling 2-step. What gear was that? Fourth? Third. Man, this thing is actually kind of crazy. loose throttle pedal, but a very long throw clutch.
Yeah, it's a spec 4 plus 6-puck single disc.
All right, so let's see here. Wait.
So it's from when we grenaded the one in Hawaii.
Didn't stall. Didn't stall. We're good.
It takes a little doing.
See how she does. The shifter is so weird.
I think that's weird. Try being on this scene.
The shifter, there's like no throw.
Oh no!
at
It's
all.
click, 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 click.
There's no throw. That's
Yeah.
what had me like confused when I was going first and second. I was like, wait, is it in?
Am I bound? Is it winding up? No, you're there.
The handling's actually really good. What suspension's on here?
It's Ibach Proline suspension with white line panhard bar and brace.
You got cutouts or something in
It's just a 2-step.
here? Oh, that was a 2-step kicking on?
Yeah, it's wired to the clutch.
Oh, so it doesn't like rev matching then?
No.
Or rev match downshifting?
No,
Oh, okay, that's weird. Okay.
yeah, they didn't add that until.
Oh, dear.
Hello, Bambi.
Alright, so we're doing second gear, 4 grand. Roll on. She rips, man. That was not a full throttle, that was more of a roll on. And
Yeah, she's around 10s too.
yeah, they rips. I can, yeah. Why is it surging?
Because it's dumb.
Okay.
I think it's because that it's just the size. The intake track in this thing is sized to flow all of the air.
Oh, so it doesn't like.
So
part
when
throttle.
you're at part throttle, it kind of gets a little bit of the reverb back across the map sensor, and it just kind of goes, eh, what are we doing?
So I gotta clean it out then.
Yeah, it likes.
Oh, I'm being choked.
See, it's built-in anti-Mopar.
Gotcha.
It's the Mopar Elite seatbelt.
Let's push it a little bit more. Probably shouldn't do it past the sheriff's house.
I mean, some of them are car guys.
Man,
I know one in particular.
It's weird.
That's so much fun.
Third gear, 3,000 RPM. Hopefully not run into the back of the car in front of us. It does need brakes. I'm sorry.
It needs pads. It does. It really does. They're the factory pads.
It needs brakes.
They've I've noticed they've gotten a little
Because I got on
less.
and I was like, oh!
yeah, they're there. It just needs new pads.
Yeah. Damn, dude, this thing rips though. Yeah. Okay.
And it's comfy. I literally just did 3,000 miles in 4 days.
Yeah. All right, so well, thank you again for letting me drive the car. So again, this is Ian. Very quick 2013 Mustang GT. We went over all the mods and everything, Roush Supercharged, but it is definitely it's a quick car. Yeah, I'll give it that.
It's a good daily driver.
Now, I will say this. So, yeah, a good daily driver with 700 horsepower.
Yeah.
Kind of similar to this car. But,
It's just, it has that slow me down lever.
yeah. So, I will say this. So, over the past 2 weeks, I've driven 2 different types of Mustangs that have kind of, I won't say changed my opinion on Mustangs. I'm not going that far.
Oh.
He knows that I'm not really a Ford guy.
Oh, yeah.
Obviously,
Go.
not a Ford guy at all.
Yeah.
But I will say,
we can always go back to the Fire Chicken.
yeah, those were some times.
The LT1
But, yeah.
one wheel peel king.
Between the GT350 and this car right here, we'll say I'm I'll warm up to them a little bit. I'm not gonna hate them anymore, but I'll warm up to them a little bit. But that's gonna be it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, give us a like, comment below your thoughts, subscribe to the channel if you're here and you want to see not just Mustang content, some Mopar content, all kinds of content.
Got more Mustangs too.
Yeah, we got more Mustangs too. That is true. So stay tuned. See you in the next one. Take care. Have a great day.